Hello students, welcome to the video class of differential equation. In last class we discussed what is differential equation and how to form the differential equation. Okay. Now Brahmanath शांति 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 Today we are going to discuss what is solution of differential equation. Solution of differential equation means it is the relation between dependent variable and independent variable and some arbitrary constants and constants. Okay, so solution of differential equation. Solution of differential equation. Differential equation. Solution of differential equation. It is the relation. It is the relation. It is the relation. It is the relation between dependent variable and independent variable which satisfies the given differential equation. Satisfy the given differential equation. Differential equation. Types of solution of differential equation. Types of solution of differential equation. Differential equation. Number 1, general solution. General solution. Okay. Number 2, particular solution. What is general solution? General solution means the solution contains independent constant or arbitrary constant as the order of the differential equation. Okay. Particular solution means the solution contains fixed constant. It is derived from the general solution. Okay. General solution. What is general solution? The solution of differential equation. Differential equation containing as many arbitrary or independent constant as the order of the differential equation. Order of the differential equation. Particular solution. What is particular solution? The solution particular solution is obtained. Particular solution is obtained from general solution. From general solution. Particular solution is obtained from general solution. Particular solution is obtained from general solution by giving particular values. Particular values of arbitrary or independent constants. Okay, these are two types of solution. Number one is general solution, number two is particular solution. Now some questions related to this. So that y equal to e to the power 2x b plus b into e to the power minus x is solution of differential equation d square y by d square minus dy by ds minus 2y equal to 0. Solution: given differential equation, that is what? D square y by dx square minus dy by dx minus 2y is equal to 0. And the solution: let y is equal to a into e to the 2x plus b into e to the minus x is the solution. So now dy by dx is equal to what? 2a into e to the 2x minus b into e to the minus x. D square y by dx square is equal to 4a e to the 2x plus b into what? Plus b into e to the power minus b into e to the minus x. Okay, now use this value. Now d square y by dx square minus dy by dx minus 2y, which is equal to what? 4a e to the 2x plus b into e to the minus x. Okay, then minus dy by ds. What is value of dy by ds? Like this. So minus of 2a e to the 2x minus b into e to the minus x minus 2 into y. Minus 2 into y means what? Minus 2 into y. Y means a e to the power 2x plus b e to the minus x. So calculating this, that is equal to what? 4a e to the power 2x plus b into e to the minus x minus 2a e to the 2x plus b into e to the minus x minus 2a e to the 2x minus 2b e to the minus x. So for this is, that is 4a e to the 2x, and this is minus 4a e to the 2x plus 2b, b and b, that is plus 2b e to the minus x minus 2b e to the minus x. So this goes cancel, so this is 0. Since it satisfies, since y is equal to a to the power 2e into a to the 2x, y is equal to a into what? E to the 2x plus b into e to the minus x satisfies the given differential equation. Therefore it is solution. Therefore it is a solution. Now how to find solution of the differential equation? methods to solve the differential equation. Methods to solve the differential equation. The differential equation. Methods to solve the differential equation. Methods to solve the differential equation. Okay. Variable separable method. Variable separable method. Variable separable method. Type 1. Solve dy by dx is equal to suppose f of x. Procedure. Procedure dy by dx is equal to what? F of x. Take dx nearer to fx. That implies what? Dy is equal to f of x dx. Now integrating both sides. Integrating both sides. Integrating both sides. So integration dy is equal to integration f of x into dx. So integration dy is equal to what? Y. Suppose this is what? G of x, suppose, plus c, where integration of f of x dx is equal to gx plus c, suppose. This is the solution of type 2, type 1. Now one example from this. Solve dy by dx is equal to e to the 2x plus 1 by e to the x. So solution is what? Dy by dx is equal to e to the 2x plus 1 by e to the x. Now dy is equal to what? E to the 2x by e to the x. E to the x plus e to the minus x into dx. Integrating both sides. Integration dy is equal to integrate x plus e to the minus x into dx. That is y is equal to e to the x integration e to the x, e to the minus x minus e to the minus x plus c. This is the solution of the differential equation. Now another question. Solve dy by dx is equal to x cos x. Solution is dy by dx is equal to x into cos x. That implies dy is equal to x cos x into dx. Integrating both sides, integration dy is equal to integration x into cos x ds. This is product of two functions. So let apply let algebra and trigonometry. This is u and this is v. Now integration dy means what? Y is equal to x integration cos x dx minus what? D by ds of x integration of cos x into dx whole dx. So this is equal to y is equal to x into sin x minus dx by ds1 into what? Sin x dx. So y is equal to what? X sin x plus what? The integration of sin x cos x plus c. This is solution of this differential equation. Now another question. Solve dy by d equal to u plus 1 divided by square root of 3u square plus 6u plus 5. Solution dy by du u plus 1 by square root of 3u square plus 6u plus 5. Now dy is equal to what? U plus 1 divided by square root of 3u square plus 6u plus 5 into what? Du. Integrating both sides, dy is equal to integration of u plus 1 divided by 6 square root of 3 u square plus 6u plus 5 into du. Okay, now this is equal to y is equal to, what is the derivative of this? 6 square, so into 6u plus 6, so 1 by 6 into what? 6u plus 6 divided by square root of 3u square plus 6u plus 5, and this is du. This is f dash by root of x. So y is equal to what? 1 by 6 into 2 into root over 3u square plus 6u plus 5. So goes cancel. So y is equal to what? This is 3. 1 by 3 plus c here. 1 by 3 root over 3u square plus 6u plus 5. Okay. Plus 5. This is a variable separation method of linear differential of order 1. Differential equation of order 1. This is method is what? Variable separation method of differential equation. Differential equation of order 1 for this is. Okay. Now another type. Type 2, dy by ds is equal to, suppose g of y. So what? This is what? Dy by g of y is equal to dx. Integrate, then integrate both sides. This is type 2. And type 3 is equal to dy by ds is equal to f of x by g of y. So that is that implies g of y is equal to f of x into ds. Then integrate both sides. Okay. Type 4, that is what? dy by dx is equal to f of x into g of y. So what happens here? That is dy by g of y is equal to f of x into what? dx. Then integrate. Okay, then integrate. These are the types of variable separation method. Now questions. Now solve. Dy by dt is equal to this. Solution: dy by dt is equal to power 1 minus y square. Now apply variable separation method. Dy by root over 1 minus y square is equal to dt. Integrating both sides. So integration what? dy by root over 1 minus y square integration dt. So this is what? Sin inverse y is equal to t plus c. This is solution of the differential equation of this type. And another question. This is equation. Solve e to the x tan y plus e to the 1 minus e to the x square dy equal to 0. Variable separation. Here x term present. This is dx. Here x term dx present and dy present. So tan y is its extra tan y. So divide tan y by what? Divide tan y by. The question is, so the solution is what? E to the x tan y into dx plus 1 minus e to the x sec square y into dy. Here dx, so it is required and it is not required. Here dy, this is required and this is not required. So divide both sides by what? 10y into, so divide both sides by 10y into 1 minus e to the x. So what happens here? This is equal to e to the x by 1 minus e to the x dx, and this is what? Plus sec square y divided by 10y into dy is equal to 0. Now separating, variable separation obtained. Now integrating both sides. So integration e to the x by e to the minus x dx, integration of sec square y divided by 10y into dy. What is derivative of this? E to the minus x. So here minus, we can put here minus, so that is equal to minus log of e to the 1 minus x and derivative term of sec square y. So this is what? Log of sec square y, sorry, log of 10y. Log of 10y, this is equal to 0, is equal to what? C, is equal to C. So this is log of what? 10y by 1 by e to the minus x is equal to C. This is the answer. Now another question. Find the general solution of dy by ds is equal to x square plus 1 into y square. Apply variable separation. dy by dx is equal to x square plus 1 into y square plus 1. Okay. Now this is all are first order differential equation. For first order differential equation, we have to use variable separable method. So dy present, so this is equal to dy by y square plus 1 is equal to x square plus 1 into dx. Integrating both sides with respect to x. So that is integration dy by y square plus 1 integration x square plus 1 into what? Dx. So this is tan inverse y is equal to what? X cube by 3 plus x plus c. This is answer. Now one more question, another question. Find the general solution of dy by ds is equal to x into log x by 3y square. Solution is dy by dx is equal to x ln x by 3y square plus 4y. Now use variable separation method. So 3y square plus 4y into dy is equal to x into ln x into dx. Integrating both sides, 3y square plus 4y into dy is equal to x into ln x dx. Now this is equal to 3y cube by 3, 4y square by 2, and use islet. This is islet. Logarithm, then algebra. Log is first function, this is 1, algebra is second. So log x integration what? X ds, d by ds of log x integration x ds whole dx. So this is equal to 3 cancel here, y cube plus 2y square is equal to log x integration of x what? X square by 2 minus derivative of log x means what? 1 by x, and this is x square by 2 into dx. So this is equal to y cube plus 2y square, x square by 2 into log x, and x cancel here. That is what? Integration of x is equal to x square by 2 and 2 present here. So x square by 4 plus c is answer. Okay. Now another question. Solve. Find the general solution of this. So solution is what? Answer is x square into root over y square plus 1 into dx plus y into root over s cube plus 1 into dy. देखो dx अच्छी, dx अच्छी, this term required, this is not required. dy अच्छी, y term required, this is not required. Okay, so divide both sides by what? Root over s cube plus 1 into root over y square plus 1. So this is what? This is x square divided by root over s cube plus 1 dx plus y divided by root over y square plus 1 dy is equal to 0. तो या डेरिवेटिव इंटीग्रेटिंग करवा x स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाई रूट ओवर s क्यूब प्लस 1 dx इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ y डिवाइड बाई y square plus 1 into dy is equal to 0. Okay, so इठी डेरिवेटिव 3x square होची, so in 1 by 3 into 3x square divide by root over x cube plus 1 into dx 2y होची 1 by 2 into 2y divide by root over y square plus 1 into dy is equal to 0. So f dash x by root of x, that is 1 by 3 2 into root over s cube plus 1 plus 1 by 2 2 into root over y square plus 1 is equal to c. 2 cancel. So 2 by 3 root over s cube plus 1 plus square root of y square plus 1 is equal to c. This is answer. This is answer. Now another question. Now solve. Find the general solution of this. Y dy e to the x y and sin x dx. Okay, this is the solution. This is the question. So solution is, answer is what? Y dy e to the minus y x into sin x dx is equal to 0. So ds here, this is required, but this is not required. Okay, so divide, this is not required. E to the minus y is here not required, so divide both sides by e to the minus y. So y by e to the minus y means y into e to the y dy. This cancel. X into sin x dx is equal to 0. Integrating both sides now. Y into e to the y dy plus integration x into sin x dx is equal to 0. Okay, so I let this is u and this is v. U y into e to the y dy minus d by dy by dy integration e to the y dy whole dy. Okay, plus I let algebra then trigonometry. This is u x into integration sin x dx minus whole integration dx by dx whole, that is integration of sin x ds whole ds. Applied what formula? By parts formula. Okay, so y into e to the power y minus dy by dy 1 e to the power y dy plus x into, this is what? This is constant of integration. This is c. Derivative of integration of 0 equal to c. Okay, so x into what? Minus cos x minus ds by ds 1, and this is what? Minus cos x dx. So this is equal to y into e to the y minus e to the y minus x cos x minus minus plus, and this is sin x is equal to what? This is equal to c. Okay, or plus c is equal to what? Plus c is equal to 0, or you can say write c, nothing but this is c, or plus sin x, that is plus sin x is equal to c. This is the solution of the differential equation. Okay, now another question. Solve. The solution is solve dy by dt equal to sin inverse t e to the minus e to the sin inverse t divided by this. So solution is dy by dt is equal to sin inverse t e to the sin inverse t by root over 1 minus t square. That is dy by dt is equal to what? Sin dy equal to sin inverse t e to the power sin inverse t by root over 1 minus t square into dt, integrating both sides, integration dy integration sin inverse t e to the power sin inverse t by root over 1 minus t square into dt. Okay, now put t is equal to what? U. Put t is equal to u, tan inverse t is equal to u. Okay, and tan inverse what? Tan inverse t is equal to u. So 1 by root over 1, this is what? Sorry, tan, this is not tan, sin inverse t equal, so 1 by root over 1 minus t square dt is equal to du. So this is equal to what? This is equal to y is equal to, this is u e to the power u du, and apply by parts formula. So this is y u and this is v, u integration e to the u du minus du by du integration e to the u du whole du. So that implies u into e to the u minus du by du 1 and e to the y du. Okay, y is equal to here, this is y is equal to, so y is equal to u into e to the u minus e to the u plus c. Now u means what? Y is equal to u means sin inverse t e to the sin inverse t minus e to the sin inverse t plus c. This is answer. U means sin inverse t. Now another method of variable, another type of variable separable method, another type for method to solve differential equation of first order. Okay, this is the discussion. We are discussing about the differential equation of first order, special type, that is special type. Integration dy by dx is equal to f of ax plus bs plus by plus c. This is first order differential equation of special type. Procedure put ax plus by plus c is equal to z. Any constant put. Now differentiate with respect to x. A plus b into dy by dx is equal to dz by dx. Now b into dy by dx is equal to what? Dz by dx minus a. That is dy by dx is equal to 1 by b into dz by dx minus a. This is equation 1. Use dy by dx in equation and ax plus by plus c is equal to z in equation 1. Then make variable separable. Then use variable separable method. Then use variable separable method. Now some questions related to this type. Solve. Question is solve dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3y plus 5. Simple question. Okay. Solution is dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3y plus 5. Let or put 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to z. Differentiate with respect to x. So 3 into dy by dx is equal to dz by dx. Now 3 into dy by ds is equal to dz by dx minus 2. Now dy by ds is equal to 1 by 3 into dz by dx minus 2. So this is equation 1. Put dy by ds in equation 1. So what happens here? That is dy by ds means what? 1 by 3 into dz by dx minus 2 is equal to what? Z. That implies dz by dx minus 2 is equal to 3z. That implies dz by dx is equal to what? 3z plus 2. Now dz by 3z plus 2 is equal to dx. Okay, is equal to dx. So integrating both sides, dz by 3z plus 2 is equal to integration dx. What is the integration formula for this? 1 by 3 log 3z plus 2 is equal to x plus constant. What is z here? Z means what? This is z. So 1 by 3. Okay, or we can write here, that is what? Ln of 3 into z. Z means what? 2x plus 3y plus 5 plus 2 mod is equal to what? 3x plus 3c with another constant capital C, suppose. This is, that is log of what? Log of 6x plus 6x plus 9y plus what? 15, 17. That is log m by. Okay, so ln what? This is 6x plus 9y plus what? 3, 15, 10 to 5, 15 plus 2, that is 17 is equal to 3x plus constant. This is answer. Now another question. related to this type. Solve dy by dx is equal to sin x plus y. Okay, solution dy by dx is equal to sin x plus y. Put x plus y is equal to z. Differentiate with respect to x. So 1 plus dy by dx is equal to dz by dx. So dy by dx is equal to dz by dx minus 1. So put the value dz by ds. This is equation 1. So dz by dx minus 1 is equal to sin z. That implies what? Dz by dx is equal to 1 plus sin z. Now dz by 1 plus sin z is equal to what? Now this is equal to dz by 1 plus sin z. 1 plus sin z is equal to dx. Integrating both sides, dz by 1 plus sin z is equal to what? Integration ds. So 1 plus sin z means what? Dz by 1 plus sin z. So 1 plus what? We can write here 1 plus 2 tan z by 2 whole divided by, this is equal to what? 1 plus tan square z by 2 is equal to x plus c. Now this is what? Sec square z by 2 whole divided by what? Tan square z by 2, tan square z by 2 plus 2 tan z by 2 plus what? Plus 1. This is what? This is x plus c. A square plus 2ab, this is what? A plus b whole square. So sec square z divided by z by 2 divided by tan z by 2 plus 1 whole square. Integration dz is equal to x plus c. Okay, now this is sec square z by 2 tan square z by 2 plus 2 tan z by 2 per whole square, right? So this is equal to what? Put and derivative of this tan square z by 2 is equal to put tan z by 2 plus 1 is equal to, suppose u. So sec square z by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal, and dz is equal to du. That implies what? Sec square z by 2 dz is equal to 2 du. 2 into du. So that is equal to 2 into du, integration 2 into du by what? U square is equal to x plus c. The 2 into u to the power minus 1. U to the power minus 1 by minus 1 is equal to x plus c. So minus 2 by u is equal to x plus c. What is u? U means tan z by 2. That is what? That is x plus 2u is equal to c. That is x plus 2u means what? Tan z by 2 is equal to c. That implies x plus 2 into tan z means what? X plus y. 2 into what? Tan z by 2 means cot x. That is 2 into what? Tan x plus y by 2 is equal to C, or that implies x plus cot 2 into cot x plus y by 2 is equal to C, is equal to C. This is the special type of the first order differential equation. Now solution of second order differential equation. Solution of second order differential equation. Solution of second order differential equation. Okay, that is how to solve the second order differential equation. To solve d square y by dx square is equal to f of x. Okay, so procedure is what we can write: d by dx of what? dy by dx is equal to f of x, or that is dy by dx is equal to what? F of x dx, integrating both sides, okay. So we get here integration of dy by dx is equal to integration of f of x dx. Let this is equal to dx means integration x, dy means integration y. So d of dy by dx integration is equal to what? dy by dx is equal to, suppose its integration is equal to g of x plus c1. Again use variable separation method. Dy is equal to g of x plus c1 into dx. Again differentiate, integrate, again integrate. So what happens here? That is integration of dy is equal to integration of what? G of x plus c1 into dx. So this is equal to y, and suppose this is integration is suppose h of x plus c1 x plus c2. This is the integration. Here integration of suppose f of x is equal to gx, and here integration of f of x is equal to suppose hx. Okay, or second method, or another method, second method, this second method. Okay, second method to solve this type of problems. Let dy by ds is equal to p. Differentiate both sides. What? D square y by ds square is equal to what? That is dp by dx. Okay, it can solve d square y by dx square is equal to f of x. So put d square y by dx, that is f of x, that is dp by dx is equal to f of x. So dp is equal to f of x into dx. Integrating dp, integration f of x dx. So dp means what? P, and this is suppose integration is what? Gx plus c1. Now p is equal to what? P is equal to dy by dx g of x plus c1. Now dy is equal to g of x plus c1 into dx. Again integrating both sides. So this is y is equal to h of x plus c1x plus c2. This is another process method. Now some questions related to second order derivative differential equation. solve the second differential equation. D square y by d square is equal to sec square x plus cos square x. Solution, that is what, d square y by dx square is equal to sec square x plus cos square x. Now this can be written as d by dx of dy by dx is equal to sec square x plus cos square x. Now d of dy by dx is equal to sec square x plus cos square x into dx. Now integrating both sides. So integration of d of dy by dx is equal to integration of sec square x plus integration of cos square x into ds. So this is equal to dy by dx. Okay, this is equal to dy by dx and integration of sec, this is 10x and integration of this is 1 plus cos 2x by 2 into dx. So this is equal to what? dy by dx is equal to 10x plus what? 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 sin 2x plus c. That is dy is equal to 10x plus what? 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 4 into sin x. This is c1 sin 2x plus c1. Now again whole into what? dx. Again differentiate, that is again integration dy is equal to integration of 10x dx plus 1 by 2x dx plus 1 by 4 sin 2x dx plus c1 into dx. So this is equal to y log sec x plus log sec x, and this is what? X square by 4, and this is 1 minus 1 by 8 cos 2x plus c1x plus c2. This is the solution of the second differential equation. Now how to find the particular solution of the differential equation? Now find the particular solution of dy by ds is equal to cos x, given that y equal to 2 when x is equal to 0. So this question is also modified as, can be modified as, this portion can be modified as, given if y dash of 0 is equal to 2. Same thing, y equal to when x is equal to 0 means we can write also y dash 0 equal to, same question. So solution is what? dy by dx is equal to cos x. Use variable separation method, that is dy is equal to integration that is cos x into dx. Integrating both sides, dy is equal to integration cos x dx. So y is equal to what? Y is equal to sin x plus c. This is general solution. This is general solution. General solution. The particular solution is obtained from the general solution by putting the condition, using the condition when x is equal to 0, that is given y dash 0 is equal to 2 means x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, means x is equal to 0, y equal to 0. So x is 0, 2, x equal to 0, y equal to 2 is equal to 0 plus c. So c is equal to 2. Therefore particular solution is y is equal to what? y is equal to sin x plus 2. This is particular solution. Now one more question. Now find the particular solution. D square y by d square is equal to 6x, given that y equal to 1, dy by ds is equal to when x is equal to 0. This is also, this condition is also equivalent to, that is what, y dash of 0 is equal to y of 0 is equal to what, 1, y dash of 0 is equal to 2. Same thing. Now solution is what? Solution is d square y by dx square is equal to 6x. So we can write d by ds of what? dy by dx is equal to 6x. So now d of dy by dx is equal to 6x into dx. Now integrating both sides, d of dy by dx is equal to integration of 6x into dx. So integration of d of dy means what? dy by dx is equal to, this is equal to 6x square by 2 plus what? 6x square by 2 plus c1. So dy by ds is equal to what? dy by ds is equal to 3x square plus c1. Suppose this is equation 1. Now what given? When x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, dy by ds is equal to what? Given when x is equal to 0, dy by ds is equal to what? 2. dy by ds is equal to 2. Okay, so that is 2 is equal to 0 plus c1. So c1 is equal to what? 2. Again from this, from equation 1, so dy is equal to 3x square plus what? c1 into dx. Integrating both sides, dy, that is integration of 3x square plus c1 into dx. So y is equal to 3 into s cube by 3 plus c1x plus c2. This is equation 2. Given that y dash, that is when x is equal to 0, given when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So 1, this is 0 plus c2. So c2 is equal to what? 1. Putting the values of c, this is putting the values of c1 and c2, this is c2. Putting the values of c1 and c2 in equation 2. Putting the values of c1 and c2 in equation 2. That is what? Y is equal to, cancel here, y is equal to what? X cube plus c1 means what? 2x plus c2 means what? Plus 1. This is the particular solution. Now we have discussed the solution of first order differential equation and second order differential equation. Then how to find the particular solutions are completed, and in next class we will discuss about another type of differential equation. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.